welcome back. This is Life Changer Show. I am Evangelist Dr. Margaret Kumako. If you are wanting to start your Christian life the right way and gain massive miracles and breakthroughs, then keep watching this video, because today I am going to be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So let's get to work. Step number 1 is to receive Jesus Christ as your personal Lord and Savior, and to receive the Holy Spirit, which is the active power of God. Firstly, you ought to identify who is going to lead you to receive the Holy Spirit and who is going to lead you to receive Jesus. You have to know who is going to lead you to this. This is where most Christians fail from the very start. They instead start by church attendance, start attending Sunday church services just as they see other Christians doing. They think church attendance is what makes them a Christian. It's not like that. Church attendance is not what makes you a Christian. Church attendance will never solve your problems. So what happens is what you see today. Most Christians are not happy people at all. They continue to run around searching for solutions to their problems because they started off with the wrong step. The wrong step is church attendance. The right step is first to receive Jesus, and next you receive the Holy Spirit of God. So instead of identifying a spirit-filled person who would lead you to receive Jesus Christ in your life and who would lead you to receive the Holy Spirit, you start off by attending church services. That's where the problem is. You have to receive Jesus first, and you have to receive the Holy Spirit. These Christians, they end up being overwhelmed as it takes longer or never to grow their spiritual life. They never get to the point of growing their spiritual life where they'll be able to get miracles and breakthroughs flowing in their lives. If you start your Christian spiritual life by receiving Jesus, and then you move to the next level, which is receiving the Holy Spirit, your Christian spiritual life grows faster, and it overflows with miracles and breakthroughs than when you start off by attending church services and listening to pastors. You listen to preachings. You would only be hearing these preachings with your ears, but you will never be able to understand them because you do not have the Holy Spirit of God in you. You have not received it. This is what causes confusion in the lives of most Christians. If you are ready to receive Jesus Christ now, and if you are ready to receive the Holy Spirit, which is the active power of God now, I'm going to lead you to it. Repeat this prayer of salvation after me to receive Jesus Christ in your life. Say, "Thank you, Lord." Just mean it with all your heart. Please come to my heart. I know you are the Son of the living God. I know you died and God raised you from dead. I know you are alive today. I confess with my mouth that you are the Lord of my life from this day on. Through you and in your name I have eternal life. Thank you, Lord, for saving me. Congratulations, you've just received Jesus. You are now a Christian. Well done. Now I invite you to receive the Holy Spirit, which is the active power of God. If you're ready to receive the Holy Spirit, place your right hand on your forehead. Receive the Holy Spirit of God in the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. You have received the Holy Spirit. Oh, congratulations. You are loaded with powers. Oh, glory be to God. His mercies shall follow you all the days of your life. Oh, blessings. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. You've done it. So we're moving straight to the second point, which is magnifying. Remember, the first point is receiving Jesus and receive the Holy Spirit. This is the second step. The second step, magnifying, is to read your Bible on a daily basis. Make declarations. Say what God has stated concerning you in the Bible. For example, your goodness and your mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in your house forever and ever. You say that. When you read such passage, you say that. You have to declare what the Bible says about you. I am the head, I am the lender. I give light to the entire city. Oh, it is well with me. You have to make those declarations over your life. Don't say negative things, positive things on a daily basis. That is the second step. The third step, you have to pray regularly. You have to pray speaking in tongues. Your prayers should be declarations, not demands, not God, please do this for me or that. It's I know who I am. I am great. I am the head. Excuse me. I am a city built on the hilltop. It is well with me. La sole makaya sanda. Hebrashi tahida kasota bahaya. Lesh talakabush. Istahinda hadea. Oh, blessings upon me. That's what you should do on a daily basis. As you pray, you speak in tongues. And I've told you, your prayers is not demands. Your prayers is declarations. So step number 4 is to sing praise songs to God. Sing worship songs to God on a daily basis. And associate with the right friends, right people. That is step number 4. So when you sing a praise song to God. You sing a worship song to God. You throw your hands up in the air and you worship God. You praise God daily. You worship God daily. And you hang out with the right friends, Christian friends whose spiritual life are more higher level than yours. That's what you should do. Step number 5 is to cage your heart. Cage your heart. Do not let your heart to loiter around. Because if you let your heart to loiter around out of the cage and it loiters, it brings demands and brings problems to you. So you have to cage your heart. When you cage your heart, you have to spend time discussing with God on a daily basis. up in the morning and say, Lord, I want to spend time with you. You sit and you talk. Just talk, sit in God's presence. That's what you do. Discuss, tell him things. Those things you would phone your friends and inform them. Tell it. That's the time. Tell it. All your cares, all your burdens, tell it to God. On a daily basis, as you cage your heart. Because your heart will bring terrible demands to you if you do not cage it. Caging your heart is just like you taking care of your child. You wouldn't want to let your child rush to the road, would you? You would never. You wouldn't want your child to go touch fire. You wouldn't, right? It's how you cage your heart. If your heart loiters around and brings funny informations and stories, and it starts reminding you of the past and your problems, you just pull it from there and say, come here. You're not supposed to be there. That's how you cage your heart. Glory and blessings upon you as you do all these things. These steps are extremely crucial to follow in starting your Christian life. This is the key to attracting miracles and breakthroughs in your life on a daily basis. The steps I'm just sharing with you. This is why some Christians grow very fast in their spiritual Christian lives than others, because they do Magdevize on a daily basis. The 5 steps I've just shared with you, it's called Magdevizing. It's my therapeutic formula for success in life. You want to have miracles rolling and breakthroughs rolling in your life. These steps are very crucial. Take note. So at this point, I invite you, if you are still to receive Jesus Christ as your personal Lord and Savior, just mean it with all your heart. And repeat this prayer of salvation after me. Say, thank you, Lord. Please come to my heart, Father. I know you are the Son of the living God. I know you died and God raised you from the dead. I know you are alive today. I confess with my mouth that you are the Lord of my life from this day. Through you and in your name, I have eternal life. Thank you, Lord, for saving me. Did you mean that with all your heart? That's what matters. You have to mean it from the bottom of your heart. Yes, that's how it works. Now, you have to receive the Holy Spirit of God. The Holy Spirit is the active power of God. If you're ready, place your right hand on your forehead. Maybe you were not in the first session. You just coming now. You just started watching me now, so place your right hand on your forehead to receive the active power of God, which is the Holy Spirit of God. Receive the Holy Spirit in the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Oh, blessings. Congratulations. You have received the Holy Spirit. It is well with you. I leave you with this 5 crucial steps to follow if you're about to start your Christian life, or if you'd already started but you were not in the right footing, you started off by church attendance. You can still start off today from scratch, afresh, by receiving Jesus, by receiving the Holy Spirit. Move to the second step, which is reading your Bible and making positive declarations concerning your life on a daily basis. And you move to the third step, which is to pray regularly and speak in tongues. You move to the fourth step, which is singing praise praise and worship on a daily basis to God, and choosing your friends. Choose the right friends. Your friends should be people who have more higher spiritual level than yourself. And then you move to the fifth point, which is to cage your heart and to sit in God's presence on a daily basis. Tell Him your worries, tell Him your cares, tell Him everything. God bless you. That was it from me today. I look forward to having you in my next video. God bless you.